how to show sensitive content on X. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content on X or Twitter on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So for some reason, this setting is not available within the X app on your iPhone or Android phone. So in order to actually enable or show sensitive content within our account, we need to open up the browser and navigate to x.com and log into our account. Once you get logged into x.com in the browser, select your little profile icon on the top left, and then scroll down and you want to select Settings and Privacy. Once in the settings, select Privacy and Safety, and then Content You See. From there, all you need to do is put the checkbox right there, enable that next to Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Once you've done that, you can go back to the X app on your iPhone or Android phone. You may have to close it and reopen it, but after that, you have now enabled sensitive content on X. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.